बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रटना नहीं है, समझना है। My name is Sajida Raza. I am student of class 3. My school name is Faizan Islamic School System, Hyderabad, Pakistan. Today we'll learn maths basics. In maths basic, we'll see zero power in multiplication of variable. Let's take one example. Now see, it is my question. Sorry. Now, it is my question. First of all, there is no. We will write down as it is. You know one thing, there is multiply side here in between 2 and y and 3 and 2 0 power, and we will show it here. Sorry. Now, I have done my multiply sign. Now, I will write down till here as it is. Look. One thing is remaining, that's why I will write down as it. Now, see, this variable has 0 power. It means full variable become into a 1. Now, see, we will multiply 2, there is 1 plus 1 and a plus. Now there is 1 and a plus. Now there is plus. Plus multiply plus equal to plus. And 2 ones are 2 power, and the variable comes as it is down. You know, that's why. Now, not this. Yes. Now come to this. Minus and a plus. Minus plus a minus. 3 ones are 3. Now it's become more 2. Now see, plus multiply by minus equal to minus. Now 2 3s are 3 2s are 1 thing 6, and the power comes as it is down. Multiply sign with sign. Now it is our answer. No subscribe, no like, only share.